Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of cryptocurrency. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a curious newbie, understanding the basics is crucial. And today we're tackling one of the most fundamental aspects of crypto, wallet addresses. Ever found yourself staring at your crypto wallet asking, what on earth is a wallet address and how do I find mine? You're not alone. Many people find this part confusing, but it doesn't have to be. A wallet address is essentially your unique identifier in the crypto world. It's like your home address but for receiving digital assets. Without it, you can't send or receive any cryptocurrency. Well, today's your lucky day. We're going to break it down into simple, easy-to-follow steps so you can find your wallet address without any hassle. I'm here to demystify this essential part of your crypto journey in just 3 easy steps. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at locating your wallet address. First things first, what is a wallet address? Think of it like a bank account number, but for your cryptocurrency. It's a unique string of characters that lets you send and receive digital assets. Simple, right? Just like you wouldn't share your bank account number with just anyone. You need to be cautious about who you share your wallet address with. Security is paramount in the crypto world. Now let's dive into how you can find yours. It's easier than you think, and I'll guide you through each step. Step 1. Open your wallet app. Whether you're using a mobile wallet like Trust Wallet, a desktop wallet like Exodus, or even a hardware wallet like Ledger, start by opening your app. Make sure you're connected to the internet, and if you've got biometric security, go ahead and scan that fingerprint. This ensures that your wallet is secure and only accessible by you. Step 2. Navigate to your wallet section. This might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people get lost here. Look for a section labeled Wallets, Accounts, or something similar. In Trust Wallet, for instance, you'll find a list of all your different crypto wallets, BTC, ETH, BNB, and so on. Each wallet will have its own unique address. Step 3. Find your address. Here's the magic moment. Click on the specific cryptocurrency wallet you're interested in. You'll usually see options like receive or deposit. Click on that and voila, there it is. Your wallet address in all its alphanumeric glory. You can copy it, scan a QR code, or even share it directly from the app. A quick tip, always double-check that you've copied the correct address, especially if you're transferring large amounts. One wrong character, and your funds could be lost forever. No pressure, and there you have it. Your wallet address revealed in 3 simple steps. Remember, this address is your gateway to the world of crypto transactions. Keep it secure and always double-check before you hit send. Don't forget to smash that like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more crypto tips and tricks. Your support helps us create more content to guide you on your crypto journey. Until next time, happy trading.